Okay, so this is good. We just feel it. So look into my eyes and just relax. Yeah, good. Look at me. Don't run away from it, because if you run away from it, it's going to keep coming back when you don't want it to be there. And breathe. Hold my hands. Good. Okay.
I'm sweaty, sorry.
No, I like sweat. My hands are always freezing.
That was my thing.
Okay, so just keep looking at me, because this is what happens, right? When we don't deal with it, we push it down and push it down. So just breathe. And what's scaring you about going to that really powerful place?
It's really hard for me to find something.
Yeah, totally.
I never
Totally.
realized how proud I was of myself.
And it's like almost like, this is what was my thing, was I was like, if I actually do it, then like, what the fuck am I gonna complain about? Like, I almost got like this weird comforting feeling about like, oh, everybody, all my boyfriends have stolen money from me. Like, I used to talk about that shit like I got a Grammy, and it's like, bitch, that's embarrassing. Like, quit talking. It's like, that's not something to brag about. It was like, hey girl, my boyfriend stole from me. It's almost really scary to break through that, because it's not that it feels good. Breathe, take a breath, let it go out of the shoulders. Because then we don't have anything to hold on to anymore. And it's not that we like holding on to it, but it's so fucking comfortable that where do you go from something you've known for 34 years? I was gonna say 22. It's just going to be a little bit uncomfortable, but I want you to go to a time when you felt really, really proud of yourself. And I want you to say it.
This when I got accepted to college.
Okay, amazing. And how'd you feel?
It's just all my hard work paid off.
And how'd you feel about yourself? Like if you had to say, I am.
I'm strong.
Okay, and what else?
And I was courageous, and I just persevered. And I fought through all the bullshit that my family threw at me.
Yeah.
In a way,
Right.
with a smile.
Yeah, cool, that backstabbing kind. Nice.
You know, everyone said I wasn't going to do
Yeah,
it.
everybody said you weren't going
And I
to do
did
it.
it, and it was a moment of like, fuck you guys. You know, it was a great feeling opening that letter.
And can you just say for me, from your heart, I am so proud of myself.
I am so proud of myself.
And say a little louder, because I
I
can't.
am so proud of myself.
Say one more time, girl.
I am so proud of myself.
Can you scream it? Can you scream it?
I am so proud of myself.
Yeah. Damn, right? Damn. Okay, so when was that?
I was 18. I was 18.
Okay, so that was a long time ago. So we've been separated from that I am a badass for a long time. Yeah, breathe. That's okay. That's okay.
Because I felt like I didn't deserve it. You know?
100%. Yeah, and you don't need to know why, because everything you've ever gone through has gotten you here to this moment. Like, I mean, I didn't need to get in an abusive marriage, but I did, and now I know that I can help other women that have been in abusive marriages. So it's like, yeah, fuck, I wish I wouldn't have done it. And if I had me, I wouldn't have done it, but it's cool. It's already there. So instead of focusing on like this is the other thing that comes in, like I fucking wasted so much time. How about we just feel that feeling, and we're not gonna go back to like why, wish, what happened, the blah, blah, blah. It's just, I did it and I'm super proud of myself. And this is where we're gonna come back to, because we live in that super low vibrating state for so long. So now we're going to shift and we're gonna live here for so long. Okay, what's her name?
Shasta. I don't know why.
Shasta!
Damn it. I don't know.
No,
I
it's,
just visited Shasta at Trinity Lake up north, so I don't know why.
yeah, but that's how intuition works, right? You don't know why. It's the first thing that comes in your head, 1 to 2 seconds.
Yeah.
Take a breath.